In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove music in the inshot app. First, open the inshot app on your device and head to the main home screen. Here, you'll see several options like video, photo, and collage. Since we're working with a video that already has music, tap on Video. This will open your phone's gallery so you can choose the clip you want to edit. Select the video that currently has music or background audio you'd like to remove. Then confirm to import it into InShot's editing timeline. Once your video is loaded, you'll see a preview at the top and a timeline at the bottom. Underneath, there's a row of editing tools. What you're looking for is the volume or audio control for the original video sound. Usually, this is labeled something like volume, or shown with a small speaker icon. Tap on that to open the volume settings for your clip. Now, you should see a slider that controls the volume of the original video audio. By default, it's normally set to 100%. To remove the music, simply drag this slider all the way down to 0. As you do this, you're not deleting the audio file permanently. You're just muting it within this project. This is helpful because you can always bring the volume back up later if you change your mind. After you've set the volume to 0, play the video in the preview window. You should notice that the original music or background sound is now completely silent. If you still hear any sound, make sure you adjusted the correct volume option for the video itself, not for added music or effects. InShot allows different audio layers, so confirm you're modifying the original clip's audio. If you plan to add your own music or voiceover, lowering the original video volume like this gives you a clean base to work with. You can now tap on the music or record options in InShot to add new audio tracks without them clashing with the old sound. When you're happy with how everything sounds, tap the checkmark or confirm button to apply the change. Then, export or save your video from InShot as you normally would. Your final saved video will keep the visuals exactly the same, but without the original music you removed.